Guys, I finally did it. My revised Cognizant date of joining is officially set for May 21st in Bangalore. But the last 3 months have been an absolute nightmare for me. And I am making this video to save you from going through what I just did. As an off campus IRA, my original DOJ was supposed to be February 5th, but because of one missing detail on the portal, I got a BGV rejection email. My onboarding was cancelled and I had to send over 40 emails to HR just to fix it. If you are an LOI holder or waiting for your BGV link, you need to watch this right now, so you do not make the exact same mistakes I did. Here is the exactly how I lost 3 months. When I got BGV link, I logged into one Cognizant portal to enter my UG details, but my college name, Government Engineering College dash dash, was missing from the drop down list. Even worse, there was no other option to type it manually. So I figured the safest bet was select not available from the drop down list. Hug mistake, because I choose not available, I received a BGV correction email. I panicked. I immediately starting email to Gen Z intern support team and campus BGV's Helpdesk team. Guys, I have the receipts. I emailed them over 40 times asking them to fix my college issue. And what did I get? No proper response. Because my BGV wasn't cleared 3 days before my joining date, my February 5th DOJ was completely scrapped. Eventually, I found out I was emailing the wrong people. Help desk email just leave on you read. LOI holders, listen to me. That very same day you receive your portal credential, check the UGPG drop down immediately. If your college is not there, do not select not available option. Instead, immediately send an email directly to 1C onboarding India at cognizant.com email address. This is the exact team that handles portal institution updates. You have to send them your details in a specific table format: college name, state, country, and university name. Once I finally did this, they updated the portal. My BGV cleared, and I will get this time onboarding pass before 3 days of my DOJ. Because of the delay, I am now in the from May 21st batch. For those tracking the pipeline, here is the insider info. This is very small target batch, only about 40 to 50 candidates, mostly from the delayed January and February groups. It is especially for the patrol in the Java cluster. The business requirement are there, but training infrastructure is limited right now. So they are taking us in small waves. Also, notice my location is Bangalore. Almost everyone called for 21st at Bangalore as their preferred location. If you are waiting for Chennai or Pune, your wave is likely next. Do not let a stupid proto glitch delay your career by 3 to 6 months. If you an if you are an LOI holder, I know you cannot check the portal right now, but the exact second you receive your offer letter and BGV link, log in and check the drop down immediately. If you are sitting there wondering exactly when you are going to get offer letter, click on the video on your screen right now. I just broke down the recent HR calls and exact timeline for upcoming June to August master batches. Before you click over, drop your college name in the comments below. Let's see if anyone else from your college is waiting too. Make sure you subscribe to Raytech, join our Telegram group to track your DOJ waves, and I will see you in the next video.